Hey everyone, today I'm going to unbox a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G Malaysian set. Before I begin to the unbox, let's take a look at the box first. Outside, 16GB RAM, 512GB of storage, Phantom Black, Samsung Malaysian e-warranty. Let's unbox. Wow, look at that. So this is the phone, and let's take a look at the condition itself. For the back side, it's not that bad, no scratch at all on the glass, and just a bit of scratch here on the side, a bit of scratch, but still good condition. I can say 9.7 over 10. The screen, it's just a screen protector. If I remove it, it's like brand new, no scratch at all. Let's see what inside. No charger. It comes with SIM pin, user manual book, no cable, no charger, but I have my original Samsung 25W charger. Let's put it back. Also, it comes with a case. I already cleaned it up, but still I'm going to find a case. Whoa, look at that, how solid it is, beautiful. But there's one issue. When I turn on, there's a one green line on the screen. Other than that, no problem at all. Even the battery still lasts long, never been repaired at all. This phone, all parts are original. Alright, the phone already been turned on. Let's take a look at the UI. Let's go to setting, slide to down, about phone, software information. As you can see, One UI 7 with Android 15. It's the final version for the S21 series. Beautiful. Let's check out the camera. I can say for the camera it's really great, especially on the 100x zoom. Beautiful. Nice animation. At least you can do that on the 5-year-old phone. Oh, look at that. I'm really happy that I got this phone. Wow. Beautiful. So I really hope the Samsung still make for the S21 series green line issue, free screen replacement program. So they still did that. I'm gonna send this to Samsung, and I hope they approve it and change to new screen. Just 86 ringgit for the labor charge only. This become my telephone to replace my Note 20 Ultra. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unbox Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and see you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.